This video is not glamorous, but it is accurate. None of this footage has had the colour balance edited or the clarity altered in any way, so what you're seeing is just how the camera caught the day. I'm trying to document the reality of what an average grey, overcast, slightly damp and miserable British winter day is like, because we have an awful lot of these. For reference, this was filmed on Friday the 13th of December 2024 at Hope Mountain near Wrexham. And as you can see, we're very much in the winter phase of the woodlands here, where the trees are naked, the leaves are covering the woodland paths, and we've got this constant grey mist and haze, even just looking down to that wonderfully big industrial freight train there. And of course, with the recent storms, there's a lot of trees come down, and we'll see more of these throughout this video. But I just wanted to try and document the actual real life, non filtered, just experience of what it looks like and what it feels like to be out and about. So, one of the benefits of so many of these grand old trees being brought down is we can see parts of them that would normally be dozens of feet above our head. So, just look at the moss and the lichens all over this. It's incredible when you think the tree itself is the sort of almost menacing, spindly fingered silhouette against the grey sky. But then when you look up close at those spindly fingers, suddenly they're a host to entire ecosystems of their own. If we glance around the surprisingly flat land that surrounds Hope Mountain, we can see the myriad of small towns and villages that make up the local landscape, and we can also see that we only need to be looking a few hundred feet away before that misty greyness in the air starts to obscure our vision slightly. And of course, when we look off to the horizon, it becomes an impenetrable thick fog. Something that surprised me in this particular section of the walk is that not only so many trees had come down here, but they'd come down in almost a domino-like pattern of one tree knocking another, and scaling its way down the hillside. Something that I'll add here as a bonus clip, an exceptional moment, for me at least, in what's meant to be an average, boring and dull documentary of a winter's day, was getting to see the incredible Airbus Beluga plane. Look at that thing. It almost doesn't feel like it should be able to fly, and it seems to move so slowly through the air too. So as we look off into the distance and then turn around to see the trig point that marks the top of Hope Mountain, I shall wrap this video up and say thank you very much for joining me for a look at what I hope to be a documentary of the most plain, simple, average winter's day with nothing exceptional in it. See ya!